the shadows where secret dreams take flight, she blooms so beautiful in the velvet night. A blue lotus, her secret untold, mysteries wrapped in petals of gold. Hady dagwadohvsv, her beauty flows, a quiet silhouette where the moonlight glows. A captivating blue lotus, so rare, my God, so beautiful, oh, so true. Her spirit whispers in shades of blue. She waves as she dances through the trees, a dance of wonder carried on the breeze. Her gaze is fire, her soul the rain, a blue lotus that soothes my every pain. Hey, dagilvwisdodi, she's the storm and calm, a hymn of thunder wrapped in a song. Her roots run deep where hearts belong. A blue lotus sings an extra song. Hady dagwadohvsv, her beauty flows, a quiet river where the moonlight glows. A breathtaking blue lotus, so her spirit whispers in shades of blue. Her petals will rise to kiss the morning dew, 1,000 worlds starting to break through. A blue lotus stunning, so alive and free, the heart of the earth, her soul